a real estate agency, I use 99 acres to receive new leads for my business. But now here receiving leads is easy, but managing them is very time consuming task. And due to this process, I lose a lot of leads sometimes. In that case, I have built this simple automation which automatically captures my new leads and add them in my Google Sheets as a new row so that I can access my leads detail anytime in the organized format, and through this automation no lead is missed anytime. Yes, you heard it right. So on my screen you can see a simple connection that I have built between my 99 acres account and my Google Sheets using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now here to build this automation for your business too, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and are planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. I've already automated my entire business, that too for lifetime, because currently it is offering the lifetime deal at a very cost-effective price. So go and get yours now. And for your reference, I have attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Alright, so now you have to signing in. You can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now to build a new connection, we're going to create a workflow and it is asking for the two methods. And here you can see two methods. One is create from scratch and the other one is create using AI. For now we're going to select it as create from scratch, and then here it is asking for the workflow builder. So again you can see two options. One is new beta and the other one is classic. Beta version is modern, fast and more flexible, so we're going to select that. And then here it is asking for a workflow name. So I'm going to give the name as how to capture and manage real estate leads automatically. For the folder, we're going to click on this drop down menu. Here you can see the multiple folders that I have with different names. So in this case, I'm going to select it as automations. You can create and select it as per your requirement. Then we're going to click on this create button, and now here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up our trigger. So as you know that I'm receiving new leads through 99 acres, so we're going to select our trigger as 99 acres. And for the app event, we are going to select new leads. You can select this trigger application as per your requirement. Then we're going to build this connection, and here you can see we have received a webhook URL. That means we're going to use this webhook URL to connect a 99 acres account with Pabbly Connect. So it says to automate lead capture, copy the above webhook URL and configure it in your 99 acres account. Reach out to your account manager from 99 acres. Your integration will be activated by the 99 acres team within a week's time. Once they activate the subscription, you will start receiving the lead information in your webhook response below. So basically you need to copy this webhook URL and send it to the backend team of your 99 acres account in order to set up the webhook inside your account. Once the setup is done, automatically you're going to receive your leads inside this workflow. For now, I'm going to copy the webhook URL and I'm going to send it to my backend team in order to receive the dummy response over here. So let's wait for some seconds. And you can see we have received a successful response over here where we have received the property type, name, email address, contact and the city. So once we have received the details of leads over here, then automatically I want to add that lead detail in my Google Sheets as a new row. So for that we're going to add action step over here. Here I'm going to select my action application as Google Sheets and my app event as add a new row. Then we're going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, we're going to select add a new connection. If your account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build this connection, we're going to click on the sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account, and then we're going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. And you can see we're now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it is asking me to select the spreadsheet and the sheet. So I've already shown you that I have my spreadsheet with the name new lead. So we're going to select the same from the drop down and a sheet as sheet 1. Then here it is asking for the name, email, phone number, property type and city. So basically these are the fields that I've added over here in my Google Sheets. So now here, instead of entering the details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that we're going to receive a new lead through our 99 acres, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So to map the data, we are going to enter a slash first, then we're going to search for the name. Here we're going to map the email address. Similarly, we're going to map the phone number. Then we are going to map the property type and lastly the city. Alright, after adding the details, we're going to click on the save and send test request. You can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added a new detail in our Google Sheets. You can see a new data has been added automatically over here. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So if you've selected a trigger as 99 acres and our action as Google Sheets, so that we're going to receive a new lead through our 99 acres account, then automatically that lead detail should be added in our Google Sheets as a new row in order to manage the lead details in an organized format. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how to capture and manage real estate leads automatically. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then don't forget to use my special discount code that is available on your screen. Also, I would like to know that what type of lead generation application you use as a real estate agent. So don't forget to mention your applications in the comment section below. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create many more such automations with Pabbly Connect. If you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.